You've been driving your car wrong this entire time. There's a hidden function, completely free, built into almost every Japanese car on the road that 99% of drivers have no idea exists. And the worst part? Ignoring it could cost you thousands in the long run. I'm not talking about some fancy tech upgrade. I'm talking about something so simple, so genius, that once you know it, you'll wonder why no one ever told you. Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal will change the way you drive forever. Here's the thing. Japanese car manufacturers, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Mazda, they're legendary for building reliable, smart, fuel-efficient machines. But they also hide features in plain sight. Features that don't get advertised. Features that dealerships don't explain. Why? Because they assume you'll figure it out. But you won't. Most people don't. This secret function I'm about to expose has been sitting in your car since day one. It doesn't require a manual. It doesn't need activation. It just exists, waiting for you to use it. And when you do, you'll save fuel, protect your engine, extend your car's lifespan, and drive smoother than ever before. But here's the problem. Car companies love selling you solutions to problems you didn't know you had. Extended warranties, premium fuel additives, engine flushes. Meanwhile, this one function, this $0 hack, solves half of those issues for free. So let me ask you this. Are you ready to learn what they've been hiding from you? Let me paint you a picture. You're a daily driver. Maybe you're commuting 30 kilometers a day. Maybe you're stuck in traffic every morning. Your fuel consumption isn't terrible, but it's not great either. Your engine feels sluggish sometimes. You've noticed your gear shifts aren't as smooth as they used to be. You take your car to the mechanic. He suggests a transmission flush, maybe a fuel injector cleaning. You're looking at 10, 15,000 rupees minimum. You hesitate. You think, is this really necessary? Here's the truth. Most of the time, it's not. Because buried inside your Japanese car is a function that, if used correctly, prevents most of these issues from happening in the first place. It optimizes your engine. It balances your transmission. It improves fuel efficiency without costing you a single rupee. And no, I'm not talking about eco mode. I'm not talking about cruise control. I'm talking about something far more powerful. Something most drivers walk past every single day without even noticing. All right, let's stop the suspense. The secret function I'm talking about is called engine braking with manual gear control, but not the way you think. Now, hold on. Before you click away thinking I already know about engine braking, let me tell you, you don't. Not the way Japanese engineers designed it. Here's what most people do wrong. They drive in D, full automatic. Let the car do everything. And that's fine for normal driving, but here's what you're missing. Japanese cars, especially models from 2010 onward, have a hidden layer of intelligence in their automatic transmissions. When you shift from D to S, or from D to L, or use the plus-minus paddle shifters, you're not just changing gears. You're activating a completely different engine management system. Let me show you exactly when and how to use this. Scenario 1. Driving downhill. You're coming down from Murray. Long, steep descent. Most drivers ride their brakes the whole way down. Big mistake. Your brakes overheat. They fade. You lose stopping power. Dangerous. Instead, shift into S or L mode. Let the engine do the braking. Your speed stays controlled, your brakes stay cool. You reach the bottom safely, and your brake pads last twice as long. Scenario 2. Stop and go traffic. You're stuck on Shara-e Faisal during rush hour. Constant acceleration and braking. Your fuel economy is terrible. Here's the trick. Shift into S mode. It keeps your RPM slightly higher, which means when you accelerate, the car responds instantly without downshifting harshly. Less gear hunting equals smoother driving equals better fuel efficiency in traffic. Try it. You'll feel the difference immediately. Scenario 3. Highway overtaking. You're on the motorway. You need to pass a slow truck. You floor the accelerator in D mode. The car hesitates. The transmission downshifts. By the time you get power, the moment is gone. Now try this. Before overtaking, shift into S mode or use the paddle shifters to drop one gear manually. Instant power, clean overtake, no hesitation. This is how professional drivers do it. Scenario 4, engine cleaning. Monthly maintenance. Once a month, take your car on the highway. Shift into S or third gear. Drive at 100 to 120 kilometers per hour for about 10 minutes. Let the engine run at higher RPMs. This burns off carbon deposits, cleans your fuel injectors, keeps your engine healthy. It's free maintenance. Japanese engineers built this function knowing that most people baby their engines too much. Low RPMs, gentle driving. Sounds good, but it actually causes carbon buildup. The manual gear function forces you to occasionally rev higher, and that's healthy for your engine. Let me explain. When you use manual mode or lower gears intentionally, the car's ECU, the engine control unit, does three critical things. First, it increases engine braking. This means instead of wearing out your brake pads every time you slow down, your engine does the work. You save money on brake replacements. You drive safer on hills. You have more control. Second, it optimizes fuel injection. In lower gears, your engine runs more efficiently at higher RPMs. Sounds backwards, right? But Japanese engineers discovered that short bursts of higher RPM driving actually clean carbon deposits from your engine. It's like a free engine flush. Third, it prevents transmission lag. Automatic transmissions are lazy. They shift late. They hesitate. But when you manually control your gears, even in an automatic car, you force the transmission to stay sharp. Over time, this prevents the sluggishness that makes people think their transmission is failing. Now here's the kicker. This function costs you nothing. It's already in your car. But 99% of drivers never use it because no one teaches them. Let's talk money. Most people don't realize how much they're losing by not using this function. Brake pad replacement. Every 30,000 kilometers, you're spending 8,000 to 15,000 rupees on brake pads. Use engine braking properly? You can stretch that to 50,000 kilometers or more. Transmission flush. Mechanics recommend this every 60,000 kilometers. Cost? 12,000 to 20,000 rupees. But if you actively use your transmission by shifting gears manually, you keep the fluid circulating properly. You prevent sludge buildup. You can safely extend that interval to 80,000 kilometers, or skip it entirely if your fluid stays clean. Fuel economy. Proper use of S mode and manual shifting in traffic can improve your fuel efficiency by 10 to 15%. That's real money saved every month. Engine carbon cleaning. Shops charge 15,000 to 25,000 rupees for walnut blasting or chemical cleaning. Do the monthly highway trick I just told you? You'll never need it. Add it all up. Over the lifetime of your car, you're saving hundreds of thousands of rupees just by using a function that's already there. Now, let's be honest. There's a reason people don't use this. Problem 1. Fear of damage. People think shifting gears manually in an automatic car will break the transmission. Wrong. Japanese transmissions are built for this. In fact, not using the full range of your gearbox is what causes problems. Transmissions need to move through all gears regularly to stay lubricated and functional. Problem 2. Lack of knowledge. Dealerships don't teach this. Driving schools don't teach this. Your car's manual mentions it in one tiny paragraph buried on page 147. So people just never learn. Problem 3. Lazy habits. Let's face it, it's easier to put the car in D and forget about it. But easy isn't always smart. If you want your car to last, if you want to save money, if you want better performance, you have to engage with your car. And that means using the tools it gives you. So here's the bottom line. This isn't a secret feature for luxury cars. This isn't a hidden upgrade. This is standard engineering in almost every Japanese automatic car made in the last 15 years. Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Suzuki Swift, Nissan Sunny, Mazda 3. They all have it. The winner here isn't a car, it's you. If you start using this function today, stop ignoring your S mode. Stop ignoring your plus-minus shifters. Stop letting your transmission make all the decisions. Take control. Drive smarter. Save money. Protect your engine. And if you're still driving in D mode 100% of the time, you're leaving performance, efficiency, and savings on the table. This is RideExposed. Now you know which car actually wins. But more importantly, now you know how to make your car win. If this just saved you thousands of rupees in future repairs, hit that like button. Subscribe for more hidden car secrets that dealerships don't want you to know. And drop a comment. Tell me, did you know about this function? Or have you been ignoring it this whole time? Drive smart, drive safe, and stop ignoring what's already in your hands. RideExposed.